Hey guys, welcome back. We are on the road. We're on 49 South and we're facing across the Mississippi River. Big old bridge up here. Arkansas going over into Mississippi. Wow, that's a big old river.
That's a big river. Holy cow.
There's a lot of water moving down there, that's for sure.
This is a big old bridge. Woo! The water's low for to be able to see all them sandbars.
Yeah. So much for that.
We are in Mississippi.
We should be in Mississippi. Yep. We're in Mississippi.
There's a casino right there.
Yeah. Casino right after you get out of Arkansas into Mississippi.
It's been beautiful this morning.
Yeah, it's been a nice ride, really. We've been on the road for
Hour and a half.
Yeah, about an hour and a half. And we got about an hour and a half to go to get to Memphis. We're going to Memphis to stop at REI and get a tent.
Yeah, we need just a little bit bigger tent. That two-person tent with that dog just ain't cutting it.
Need a little more room.
Yep, need just a little bit more room. And we got to find us a laundromat to be able to wash some clothes.
Well, I guess as Itchy Boots would say it, welcome to Mississippi.
Oh my gosh. That's funny.
Way station. We should be all right.
Hey, looky where we're at.
Welcome to Tennessee. Tuxedo, home of the tuxedo. The Tennessee tuxedo.
It's funny. Didn't feel like we were in Mississippi very long, huh?
Didn't seem like it. And then, well, it wasn't really. We kind of cut out of Arkansas over through Mississippi and then up here into Tennessee.
Right. Went through Tunica.
Pretty much to Memphis. Then we'll be out of Memphis after we go get our tent. And then we're going to find a campground. So I can smell the flowers.
Yep. Smell really strong. Smells good.
Okay, we are in Memphis to get our tent. And we got it, but look at that. Bike is soaked. My helmet was sitting on the seat. It fell off, so hopefully it's okay. But I'm sure it's going to be wet on the inside. Cricket's dog carrier is soaked.
Yeah, it blew the cover off.
Right up in there, there's been some shorting out, something big, like a transformer blowed up, and it's been doing it off and on for a little bit. There's quite a bit of hail. You might see some on the ground right there. See it on this grass over here. It's been hailing pretty good. I'm glad we wasn't out riding on the bike, so the Lord's taking care of us anyway. But we'll be back if we ever dry out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you notice, I got the Nelson Rigg rain gear on, even though it's dry here. But I'm telling you, If you seen the last little clip, we was in Memphis to get us a tent, and it started pouring and pouring and pouring. It, I mean, helmets were sitting on the bike. We was at the place, and it was pouring so bad, hailing. So we got our rain. We finally slacked off a little bit. I went out and got the rain gear. I brought it over to under the little shelter we had there. Stuck our rain gear on, and thank God for Nelson Rigg and this rain gear because it kept us dry. This stuff really works. We got the boot covers, the Solar Storm pants, Solar Storm jacket for both of us. Sherry's took hers off. She's over there with a puppy right now, but she stripped hers off pretty quick. It's laying here somewhere right there. It's all her rain gear. But I'm telling you, that was a lifesaver. I mean, it poured. I can hear it booming now, so it's actually going to start raining here. But this is a beautiful place. This is Dove Patton Campground near Hernando, I believe it is, Mississippi. But it looks like a beautiful spot. It looks like a small campground, but it's pretty cool. So we got to get our tent and stuff set up before it does start raining, because it's probably going to get with it. But get things set up, and hopefully we'll stay dry. Maybe it won't rain, but this new tent hopefully is good. So we're going to get this thing set up, and then I'll show you the tent and stuff if it's not pouring rain. Okay, guys, so here's the tent we end up getting. It's a REI Co-op. It's the Base Camp 4 tent. So it's a really nice tent. It should be a lot better than the other one because it's a lot bigger for one thing. It's taller. I can't totally stand up in it, but Sherry can. But I can still stand up in there, just kind of kneeled over a little bit. She can stand up in it. She's a lot shorter than I am. But this is a really nice tent with a really nice big rain fly on it. I forgot to buckle this down right here. But really cool. Has a lot of ventilation too. You can see those vents there. Of course, if it starts raining, we'll want to get those closed. But inside, I actually have not been inside this one. Okay, so inside we have this. First you have this little porch thing. I forget what these are called, but when you get this closed up, you could actually put your shoes or something in here. And we got the liner to go underneath it to keep it off the ground. Of course, we're on concrete here, so we really can't stake it down very good. We can tie it to a couple things here to help with wind. But we can't really stake it down good. But you go inside here. See, the inside is real nice. Has some nice pockets there to put your things. Very cool. It's actually warm in here right now. This thing it's like 85 degrees here today. It ain't raining, but real nice room in here. This thing's like 9 foot by 8 foot or something. It's big inside. So very cool. We can open up these vents here. We can open up the sides here. Open up them triangle vents, the screens on the side, and get some air flowing in here. Same on the front. This opens up. So very cool. Cricket's gonna like it a lot better. So
you figured out what that Velcro spot was?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the air hole.
Air vent, yeah, it raises it up for an air vent right there. You just stand up the little Velcro thing. If it's gonna rain, we'll put it down, but if it's not, we wanna let the hot air out when you start talking.
Cool.
Okay, we're walking, our bike's right up there, so we're gonna walk down here. Check this out. This lake, or whatever it is, I think it's a lake, but it is dry almost. It's ridiculous. I've never seen nothing quite like this. It looks like a heck of a lot of mud out there, but it's a neat little place here. They got a little circle down here at the end. And then, oh, there's power here, so you could have a day use and plug things in. But look at this thing. Look at all that's mud out there. Cricket's pulling me. Cricket, you're pulling me, boy. There's mud over there. I mean, mud. I do see some kind of, I don't know if that's tracks or show you the entire track. Yeah, it's tire tracks. It looks like something's been out there, maybe. Look at that. It's crazy. Now down there, it kind of opens up. But up here, it is.
This is very low.
Low. There's water in a channel way over there on the other side and a little bit down through here. It don't look like it's moving because this obviously is a lake. But It's awful pretty. It's cooling down. See, the rain's coming from that direction, so I'm thinking it's going to come over here and we're going to get rained on a while. This way is a lot clearer skies. It's nice here under these pines.
Ow, you're biting me.
Cricket don't bite.
Now he's giving kisses. No. Oh,
Yeah.
Don't
He
bite.
give you a kiss.
Oh, no. Ow, ow,
That's
you bit
his.
me.
That's his kisses.
Don't
Bites.
bite.
But it is beautiful out here now. I can feel this cool breeze
Silly.
out here on this little knob,
Silly
and it
boy.
feels good.
Be careful, there's a
Oof.
cap right there you don't need.
What are you doing there, Cricket?
You ought to have seen the way he jumps in it. He'll go.
It's like in tall grass.
He likes that tall grass.
Hey guys, we are headed out the next day from down here in Mississippi at the little campground. But I noticed this morning my Santa won't record, but there's water inside it. Where I took the SD card out, there was water in there. So because of the rain and when I had the helmet fell off the bike, so hopefully it will dry out and we don't lose all that footage, or even hopefully it will start recording again if I put another SD card in. But I'll run it today. We're going to lose a lot of footage because I can't record with it today mostly. I want to let it dry in the sun as we're riding. And hopefully it dries out and will work. So we are ready to head out. There's Cricket. He's biting already.
Oh, Cricket.
He's ready to go. Look at him.
Yep.
He's like, what are we doing? Where are we going now? So anyway, we're going to head out and head over toward the Blue Ridge Parkway a little further. We won't make it all the way today. We don't ride that far in a day, but thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Do thumbs up, Cricket.
Right on.